Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Samsung app that holds the searches, either Samsung Internet or the device search settings. Tap the search field to reveal recent items, then tap the three-dot menu or settings icon to access history controls. Make sure you're using the account that stores sync searches, otherwise you will only see local results. Once you locate history or search settings, proceed to the next screen. This is where deletion options live and where you'll choose what to remove. Now you'll manage the entries. Tap Manage Search History or Clear Browsing Data, then choose between removing individual items or clearing everything. Use checkboxes for multiple selections, and if available, tap Select All to speed things up. Pay attention to options like cached images or autocomplete suggestions. Deselect anything you want to keep. When ready, tap Delete, Clear, or Remove, confirm the prompt. This removes the visible records and, if synced, pushes deletion to other signed-in devices. Finish by reopening the search bar to verify the list is cleared. If it's empty, you're done. If entries reappear, make sure sync is off in Samsung account settings, then repeat deletion so changes aren't restored from the cloud. If problems continue, clear the app cache or force stop the app, then restart your device. Sometimes stale cache preserves suggestions. As a last resort, sign out of the Samsung account, delete history, and sign back in to confirm the sync state reflects the changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.